Hi, this is Tech for Steve for you. I'm Akawari taking you through today's video. In this video, we focus on how to set a countdown timer for shutdown or restart on your Windows PC. To do this, you have to launch command prompt. Go to search and type CMD or command prompt. Open it. Type this command, shutdown space dash S. That's for shutdown space dash T. That's for time space. Then add the time in seconds. If you need the shutdown to happen in 1 minute, you type 60. That's 60 seconds. And let's say you need it to happen in 3 minutes, type 180. That's 60 times 3. So you simply need to calculate that and then input it here and then hit enter. Right. There's a message here telling me the PC is going to shut down in 3 minutes. Now, how do we stop this? Type this command, shutdown space dash E. Enter. Log off is cancelled. Right. Now, how do we schedule a restart? Type the same command, shut down. Now we're going to tweak it a bit. Space dash R. That's for restart. Then space dash T for the time. The time here is the same. So we can use, let's see, we can use 60. That's 60 seconds, 1 minute. Hit enter. And now there's a message here telling me the PC is going to shut down in 1 minute. Close. All right. How do we stop this? Type in this command, shutdown dash A. Log off is cancelled. Let me give you a scenario. You're downloading something and you know it's going to be done in about 10-20 minutes, but then you are probably doing something outside and you know you won't be back in 10-20 minutes. What do? You set a countdown timer so that when your PC is done downloading, it can automatically shut down. This will help you to not waste data, especially in Ghana, where we we struggle to get data. This can help you in many ways. All right, thank you for being here today. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Hit the notification icon if you want to be notified anytime a video like this is released. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. You can leave a message in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts on these videos. Thank you.